If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Mail call! Are you ready to get to it? Mail call today. Mail call, mail call, mail call, mail call! All right, here we go. What do you think it is, Mr. Announcer?
Well, it felt like it could be a pen when I got it out of the mailbox.
Here we go. You could be right. We'll see. What's up, Doc? I'm mortified. Okay, here we go.
Oh.
Oh, they're here. They're here. Yay! Yay! My fucking little dolls are here. My fucking little doll. Fucking little doll. Fucking little doll. La la la. 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 These are my fucking dickalaws. Have you ever seen a fucking dickala? Well, you seen a fucking dickala right now. Only on my channel. Can you say Wakadikala? Come on, say it with me. Wakadikala. Wakadikala. I know I'm insane, but I love every minute of it. Living the dream, baby! Right here. So, yeah, you've already seen reviews of these pens. Mostly these, but I don't think you've seen one on this one. Same style, same brand, but this is not a clear one. Interesting, right? Right. Affordable? Right. So, you know, I haven't listened to anybody's review yet until after I get these reviewed so I can see what my thoughts are. But I know there has been some reviews. So, this is going to be awesome. So, that's here. So, I got enough to keep me busy. Also, sooner or later, I'm going to be reviewing my bags from that are made in India. You can buy them here in the States. And I have been using them religiously. I got two different kinds. This is the messenger bag. And I'll go over more with it later. Then I have the briefcase in there. Very awesome. Very well made. I love them. Very affordable. India's rocking, man. India's kicking it. Do you hear me? I mean, India's going to be breaking out through that door. Check my words. Because they have some incredible people there in India that care about what they do. That's the trick. If you have people that make anything, if they care about what they do, because their heart's in it, you're going to get quality. Folks, I'm done. I'm out of here. I got to go get my shower. Got to get cats fed. Got to get my snacks. And then I got to shut up. Isn't that right, Mr. Announcer?
Oh, that doesn't happen.
All right. Well, peace and love and goodbye. Don't be kind. Don't be mean. Don't be crazy. But always be nice to a stranger. Kind to a stranger. Kind to me. Peace and love. And please don't text and what, Mr. Announcer?
Drive.
Thank you for helping me. Bye. Lick-a-lick-a-law.